Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. Saint Thomas. Focus. Put your finger here and see my hands, and put out your hand and place it in my side. Do not disbelieve, but believe. Where was Thomas when Jesus first appeared to his disciples in the upper room? Was he hiding in fear? On hearing that Jesus had appeared to them, he was curious to know how this had unfolded. But he was unconvinced by what he heard. He was not ready to believe any of it until he saw Jesus himself. After all, seeing is believing. But before he could probe any further, Jesus appeared and told Thomas to touch him, feel him for real, not to disbelieve but believe. I feel privileged every time I enter a church. That is my upper room where Jesus comes alive. It is an honor to be there at Mass, the high table of Jesus. Do we realize how blessed are we to touch Jesus personally every time we receive communion? Do we feel his power, or do we still doubt, wanting more proof like Thomas, taking that miracles we see around us for granted? Jesus wants us to cast aside all doubt, not to disbelieve but believe. After Thomas touched Jesus, his faith grew by leaps and bounds. He traveled to distant lands to give witness to Jesus. How far are we willing to go? Fruit, touched and fortified by the power of Jesus in the Holy Eucharist, I will fearlessly step out and do God's will.